to my nanny fiends and the thugs. From my grannies to my nanny fiends and the thugs. I'm going back to the boot. Hey, RP Lil Snoop. When I touch down in my hometown, I get boot love. Hold up, look. I'm going back to the boot. RP Lil Snoop. When I touch down in my hometown, I get buku love. From my nannies to my grannies, fiends and the thugs. You can find me on Main, probably heading to the Yangs with a chick from uptown that'll go downtown. Even fucking with my round six way back. If you fucking with my people, then we pullin' straps. Ain't straight for the top, then she take the lumber. Get her wet the Kevin Gates, then I Brian pump her. I'm just thinking with my dick, why you tryna cuff her? I didn't cuff her for a reason, but I did fuck her. Free my daddy locked up, bird, I hold you down. Can't wait to see you act right and shut it down. To my daughter, Amani, daddy love you. No love for your kids, you just a motherfucker. Came in the game trying to make a name. On the road to fame, saying I'll never change. For the right price, niggas sell they soul. I can never do this shit for money, cars, clothes. She pop the pussy like a pro, then bust it open like a coke. Wanted me to date a stroke, only got Facebook post. Oh, she already know how the shit go. Hold up.
Already know how this shit go. Man, we move fast, we don't never move slow. We don't smoke Reggie, all we do is smoke bro. Man, I got a lot of keys, you could call me Mr. Snow. Cause I make money, fuck bitches, love life. You only got one, homie, you can't live it twice. You know that I want the pizza, give me my slice. And if you disrespect me, I'm taking your life. Real Mac from the back, since a youngin' clutching straps, riding around with the Nina on my lap. I eat you up like table scraps, Jacktown on the map, never leave a trace, fill in the gap. You talking like you fucking real, you a bitch, boy. Came through the block, I was selling all them sticks, boy. Saying that you butter, man, I feel like the Grinch. I use them tools, but I ain't talking about no rich, no April Fools. All the jokes, it's on you. I beat your ass up, 1-on-1, no 2-on-2. I got money on my mind, I don't never sip no brew, but I always sip clean, but I never have dreams. And if I'm gon' rob you, I'm gon' scheme. 9mm with an infrared beam. Shot it, putting them hoes all in your body. My dream cars Bentleys, Lambos, and Maseratis. Going real hard, and trust all like yo got it. Yeah, I still buy my dough right there from Too Hotty. Talking like you real, you'll really get murdered. Now I flip you like the beef, put the shit on the burger. Thug hard, live life, do it good. Niggas talk shit, well let's get it understood. I'm a gangsta ass little nigga and I love that. And if a nigga bust at me, then I'ma bust back. And at the age of 12, man, I clutch straps. Man, I pop so much pills, I might collapse. Fuck them niggas who be talking, put their ass up in they coffin. They mad cause I fuck their daughter and I love that. I got that Glock 14 on my waist. Don't make me pull a murder case. Ready for whatever, make me put the barrel to your face. Niggas know I'm fucking cold like the bottom of a lake. And I make a nigga shake. Now no earthquake, cause I do what I do. Niggas know it's no mistake. And I'm trapped every day. Niggas know just how I feel. You run up on 4GS, it's a must that you be killed. I never been no baby on no fucking training wheels. I like riding Mercedes with the fucking mansion grill. Yeah.